Hello students and namaste everyone. I am Dhaval sir and our today's topic is from your literature part, that is Honeydew, poem number 3, that is Macavity the Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot. Okay, so the writer T.S. Eliot was an American born British poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, then literary, then he was also critic and an editor. Okay, so the main character of this poem, that is Macavity the Mystery Cat, is Macavity. Now, who is Macavity, right? So first we'll understand that. So Macavity is a cat which is actually a fictional character. Now, fictional means what? So, fictional means it is an imaginary character of the poem and it is not the real character, right? So, this is very important to understand the poem, right? So, Macavity is a fictional character created by the poet for the poem, whose actions resemble that of the crooks, right? So, in this poem, the actions of Macavity, the cat, resembles, that means it does the actions like the crooks. Now, crooks means what? So, crooks are the dishonest people, right? So, this is the basic introduction about Macavity, right? So, here in this poem, we will try to understand why Macavity is said to be a mysterious cat, right? The name itself suggests Macavity the Mystery Cat. So, why Macavity is said to be a mysterious cat? So, that we'll try to understand by reading out the poem, and we'll read the poem line by line and try to understand the poem in detail. Okay, fine. So, we'll start with the first paragraph. I'll just read out the first paragraph completely, then I'll explain you. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of a Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So, Macavity is called as hidden paw because when we see him at the square means here the area which is in the shape of square, which is surrounded by buildings. Usually we have seen malls and such kind of places, so that is known as square, right? So when any such crime takes place over there, and when the police, when they go over there and try to search for him, within few moments, right, the cat is not present over there. Macavity is not there, right, and it is vanished from that place. Okay, so what is written? That Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. So hidden paw, as I said, that it gets vanished away when the police comes in search of the cat. Moving further, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Defy means to disobey the law, right? So Macavity is such a kind of cat who never obeys any kind of laws, right? He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Bafflement means it is a kind of puzzle. So Macavity is a kind of puzzle or a confusion, right, for the Scotland Yard. So the Scotland Yard is the headquarters of the London police, the flying squad's despair, right? So flying squad is also a squad in London. That means this Scotland Yard and the flying squad, they are the experts in catching the criminals and all these activities, but even they have also become confused, right, that how is it possible that this Macavity is not leaving any kind of evidence, and when they reach the place of crime, it gets vanished, or it is not seen or found over there. Okay, so that's it. Then for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there, so that we have already understood. Moving further, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. So here in the second paragraph, right? The poet is repeating the words McCavity, McCavity. It suggests that everywhere there is a talk about McCavity. That means the police, they are searching for it everywhere. Okay, and the poet is trying to say that McCavity is such a kind of cat uh, who is very uh, evil, and no one can become a cat like McCavity. Okay, he is broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity, right? So as we read the lines, that means the McCavity is doing the crimes in such a way that it never follows any kind of laws, and it is always breaking the different laws. He breaks the law of gravity. So he breaks the law of gravity means, through these lines we can try to understand that actually gravity means what? So the earth's force which pulls everything towards the earth, right, towards the ground, towards the surface of the earth. But McCavity breaks the law of gravity. That means it gets vanished, right, from that place in such a way that we can imagine that it flies away from that place, or it gets vanished in such a way that it breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare, right? So as I described, that it gets vanished in such a way that it is not found by the police. When they get the news about the crime, they reach over that place, and within seconds McCavity is nowhere, right? So it is imagined by the poet that it flies away, or it goes in such a way to some other place that it is not discovered by the police. Okay, and it makes a fakir. So fakir here means the religious man stare. That means the person, that is the religious man, gets surprised, right? Then we'll move further, and when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So as I've explained that already, you may seek him in the basement. Basement means below, that is the lower surface, right? So when you may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, that is above, right? So where the policemen are standing, they are searching everywhere, above, below, everywhere, right? But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. That means the poet is trying to say that police are searching McCavity in each and every corner, everywhere, but nowhere McCavity could be found. McCavity is a ginger cat, right? So why the poet is saying that it is a ginger cat? Because it is tall and thin, right? You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. So poet is saying that if by chance you get to see the cat, if you see the cat, then you will find out that the eyes of the cats are sunken in. That means it is inside, right? His brow is deeply lined with thoughts, because it is a criminal cat, and it always keeps on making plans and everything, and therefore it is always in tension. So you can see the brows, right? Brows and lines on the forehead. So such kind of, so through this line the poet is trying to say that it looks like a criminal, right, when it makes this kind of expressions. So his brow is deeply lined with thoughts. His head is highly domed. Domed means a round shape, and it is high. Okay, so this is the description you can see, right, of McCavity. Moving further, his coat is dusty from neglect. So the coat we have seen, the cat is wearing a coat, and as it is not paying any kind of attention to the clothes, so it is dirty. Dusty means dirty. His whiskers are uncombed. So whiskers means hairs on the cheeks, right? We have seen the cat having the hairs over there on the cheeks. So it is uncombed. He sways his head from side to side. Sways means to move. That means it keeps on moving here and there, means it tries to look here and there, right? Because it is a criminal, and if it is not paying attention, or if it is not having a watch at each and every place, then it won't come to know if any police or any person tries to catch it. Okay, so it always keeps on swaying its head from side to sight with movements like a snake, right? So we have seen the snake also going like this side to side. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So many a times we have seen the cats, they close their eyes. We feel like the cats are sleeping, but actually they are awake. Okay. Further, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, the Macavity is not there. So this is the last paragraph of the poem. So again, what the poet is saying, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. So through this line, right, the poet is trying to say that Macavity is such a kind of criminal-minded cat that no one can become like it, right? Then, as he is a fiend. Fiend means what? So fiend means an evil spirit, or we can say a demon, or we can say a devil, right? So Macavity is a devil, right? In feline shape. Feline means a cat's shape. That means a devil in the form of a cat, a monster of depravity. Depravity means the cat Macavity is morally corrupt. That means always a person should be good at moral character, but Macavity is not such, right? So it is depriving of a good character, means good moral character, and therefore it is very evil. Okay, you may meet him in a by street. By street means private street. You may see him in the square, right? Square, as I have told, that it is a kind of a mall, means a place like a mall which is surrounded by buildings in all four directions. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. So as always, as usual, when the police, they try to reach the place where the crime takes place, within seconds the Macavity is not present at that place and it gets vanished from that place. Okay, so that's it, what the poem is about. Okay, I thank you everyone for watching my video. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you everyone.